friends, this is Mr. Osama Muqbil and this channel is for you. Are you still a beginner? Do you feel upset when you listen to native speakers and you don't understand what they say? You feel so confused because you don't know from where you should start? Don't worry and cheer yourself up because you are not alone. And today, in this episode, I will start a very nice series for you, for beginners, to help you know that there is no one way possible for success. We don't say that there are 3 or 4 or 10 tips that help you improve your speaking skill or the other skills. We would like just to tell you that if you start, everything will be okay. Because it's the start that stops most people. Again, it's the start that stops most people. If you start, English will be like a piece of cake. There is only one golden rule, and you have to remember this rule all the time. Practice and practice and practice and practice and practice and practice. That's it. Just keep practicing. In this series, I will give you one simple lesson every Thursday. So what should you do exactly, my dear? You have just to keep practicing on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You will have almost 8 days to practice the episode we discuss with each other. So let's get started, and remember that nothing is impossible and you can be a very good English speaker if you follow my episodes one by one. So let's get started. Here we go, my dear friends. Today's lesson is very simple and super easy. It talks about days. Days. If you want to ask someone about the day, what should you ask? What should you say? The answer is, what day is it? What day is it? But you have to say it fast, like this. What day is it? Excuse me, what day is it? Excuse me, what day is it? What day is it? What day is it? What day is it? We don't say what day is it. No, you have to say it like this. What day is it? What day is it? What day is it? The answer is, it's Saturday. Saturday. It's Saturday. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. It's Monday. It's Monday. You can say today is Monday or Monday if you want to make it short. What day is it? Monday. What day is it? Today is Monday. Or what day is it? It's Monday. What day is it? It's Tuesday. 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 What day is it? It's Tuesday. Hey guys, what day is it? It's Tuesday. 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 What day is it? It's Wednesday. 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 As you notice, the D sound is not pronounced. We don't say Wednesday. Wrong. We say Wednesday. 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 What day is it? It's Wednesday. Excuse me, what day is it? What day is it? It's Wednesday. Oh, thanks. What day is it? Now, Thursday. It's Thursday. 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 What day is it? It's Thursday. What day is it? It's Thursday. Excuse me, what day is it? It's Thursday. Hey guys, what day is it? It's Thursday. Ah, that's why you feel happy. Thursday. 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 Finally, Friday. What day is it? It's a Friday. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. So I'll repeat these days one more time. The days of the week. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, you have to know actually these are 3 times. Today, yesterday, and tomorrow. 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 Today, yesterday. 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 Today, yesterday, and tomorrow. What day is it? It's Thursday. Okay, what about yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. Now we have the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. And the day before yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay, what about the day after tomorrow? The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow is Saturday. We start from the beginning again. Saturday. Saturday. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. And the day after tomorrow is Saturday. My dear friends, I want you to remember the golden rule, which is practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I want you just to remember to practice all the time. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, you have to practice and practice and practice. All you have to do is to practice this simple lesson. What day is it? 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 It's Sunday. It's Saturday. It's a Friday. It's Monday, and so on. Remember that over time your English will be great if you keep practicing and practicing and practicing. Until I see you again next Thursday, I wish you the best of the best. And don't forget that you can master all the English skills if you keep practicing all the time. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye. What day is it, bro? What day is it? What day is it?